All right, everyone, quick intro so I can safely drive. Usually I start these videos with the helmet cam, but as you can see here, I am driving. That's not my car seat, by the way. I don't have a kid that you've never seen before. I am driving with the dirt bike. Dirt bike's riding my ass. This guy needs to get off my butt. All right, so I'm driving down to Eben's house. He's an MOV member, and every year he does a dual sport drive-in. We ride in the woods all day, and then we do a movie on his big screen. And so I'm driving south now. I'll be there in like 30 minutes. It's a 55-mile ride south, and on the dirt bike, I didn't want to do it. Trail riding, I don't know. I mean, I have more fun on the dirt bike, and that's why I have the dirt bike, so I'm just taking it down there as opposed to pushing the GS through all the shit. But Sylvain from Quebec messaged me, so he's going to be there. So hi, Sylvain. Looking forward to seeing you guys. So I'll see you there soon. Let's cut to my helmet cam. They didn't see me. Sylvain will see the clip later and laugh. All right, the beta needs some gas.
My rear brake works again, which is nice. Hey! Whew. Nice. This thing is such a weapon. How you not going to get around the road? Holy shit. Yeah, I need to put that bolt back in this right brake lever here. Fell out. And it engages a lot slower, or it's late engagement. Ooh, that looks fun. I think off this Recluse though, it's such a cheater's thing. Seriously. Eben said it got easier. He was wrong. Yeah, he does pick the worst lines, doesn't he? He like makes it hard on himself. He's like, don't follow my lines. I pick the worst ones. I guess with their Recluse, you don't even have to start off in first. Sorry for that. You can start in second. There's some rocks here. Man, fuck that. I got pushed over into the wrong fucking line. Woo! Did you see that? I got a handful of brakes. Oddly. Second issue was I heard some rattling at high speed, and it was the carrier, the chain guard, comes back here, had broken there and was rattling into the spokes. So I basically just took some snips and cut it back to here. Oh, it's sloppy through here. Oh my god, this is basically just like flooding runoff. This has just been sculpted by water flowing over it. Woo. It's gonna get easier, guys, I swear. Eben, you have a way with words. Holy shit, dude. Whew, fuck you. I actually didn't focus for like 1 second there. Beautiful. That could have gone badly. I've never actually done like trail riding like this, where it's just like, I mean, I have done it, but by myself, and I've always get lost. It's kind of nice to run with someone that knows a route.